1, Lego! Starting off over here at Seeding D, we have Control S and the Robo.
Grab the robot, grab the robot, grab the robot.
Control S, changing out attack.
Reset the port.
Looking for another mission. Robo Elite, working with the pedestal, with their masterpiece, and audience members and the museum curator, trying to put that in the museum. Looks like they have the pedestal, but don't get the masterpiece. Looking over here at AMB, we have like-minded weirdos. Go ahead and starting off in the red launch area, changing up attachments, have that jig in play, looking at the barrier for the rolling camera, bringing it down, and the silver has been moved into the target area. We're going to starting off on their next run now. Looking at the rolling camera, going forward, barely missing it, and they're going to go for another attempt. Like-minded weirdos, finishing up with the silver and rolling camera, going for their next launch. We have a pedestal, a museum curator, and a masterpiece, and multiple audience members going into the museum area. And all of them schools. That was not me that said that. Moving over here to CB, back at it from the blue launch area, doing their next start. They traverse to the red, and they're going to look for their next launch. Still have plenty of time left on the clock. Control S starting over. Back
stuck. Alright, it's fine.
Changing attachments, looking for their next run, trying to get as many points as possible with 50 seconds left on the clock. The like-minded weirdos in their blue launch area now, looking for their next start.
Yeah.
Going for the crack creator, they push it, and they're going to try and go for the flip up too, using that racket pinion elevator system, and craft creator is fully completed. Looking at the hologram performer now, and I see lights, sound, and the hologram performer completed. Robo Patriots starting off in the red now. Setting up the sprinkler attachment. That's our 30-second buzzer. Moving backwards from the red launch area. Looks like they're going to go into home, and we have a 3D cinema narrowly completed from the Robo Patriots. On CMD, looks like Robo Elite is starting to wrap up their round. We still have Control S in the match. Going forward from the blue launch area, and we have some team communication from across the board. Going for their next launch, the pusher attachment on the front, getting stuck on the craft creator.